What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jasmine, and I'm back with another video here on the Pretty Lounge YouTube channel. Okay, so today we have my good friend Sabrina. I have been doing Sabrina's hair for about 10 years, and we are about to do a half up, half down quick weave using this pack store hair that she got from the hair store. So the brand is Organique, and the bundles are 24, 26, 28, and a deep wave. So I love these one pack does it alls because it comes with 3 bundles. That's enough you need for a quick weave, and it's pretty cheap. I believe she probably paid like $27.99 or anywhere between like $27.99 and $32.99. So I did go ahead and shampoo and blow dry her hair. She has a lot of hair. I love Sabrina's hair. It's so thick and full. So we really got to braid this thing down so this quick weave can be flat and so her hair can be protected. I know some people like do the whole mold down thing, but for all of my quick weaves, I do a braid down because I just feel like it's better. Unless your hair is short. If your hair is short, we will mold it down. So I'm doing this braid pattern on Sabrina just to make sure that her hair is protected. So I take 2 braids on the perimeter side, connect them at the bottom, and then I go in the meat of the head and just do straight back cornrows and connect the braids one by one. At the end of the braid down, you should have 1 braid that connects all of the braids. So it makes this pretty easy for your clients to take down when they get this quick weave off. You know, to just find that 1 braid, and that 1 braid is connected to all the braids. So I am braiding her hair down. I'm not necessarily making sure the braid down is neat because it really doesn't matter. You're going to put a cap over this, and then you're also going to use a protectant, but you'll see me do that in just a moment. But at this moment, I'm just making sure that her hair is braided down pretty flat so the back can be, flat. So I am crocheting that braid into the other braid so that way, her hair is locked up in there nice and neat. I do not like to sew that braid because I feel like this is too much for the client to take out. So I just crochet it in there and then I leave it be. That way when they get the quick weave off the back, they can just find that 1 braid and take the braids out. So I'm pressing the front of her hair just to make sure the ponytail looks nice and sleek. Press that thing out. I'm going to pull out her baby hairs because she do like baby hairs. And we're going to mold this up using some Eben adhesive spray. This spray is the truth. So I'm going to just let you know. Don't spray too much because their hair is going to get hard with this spray. But I like it because it gives longevity. It makes sure that the hair in the front does not puff up or anything like that. Literally, it'd be stuck. Okay. So I'm just spraying that up, molding her ponytail nice and neat. And then I'm going to braid her hair into a, just like a braid, a simple cornrow braid. It's not a cornrow, that's a freeform braid. But I'm going to leave that alone once I do that. So I'm going to put a cap on and I'm going to cut a hole at the top to bring her ponytail through. So that way I can put the protector on the back on top of the cap. So I am very generous with this protectant, and I think it's called Wonder Weave, and you can also get that from your local beauty supply store. You put that on and you let the client sit to dry for about 10 to 15 minutes just to ensure that it is dry. You want it to be completely dry before you start adding wefts that have glue on it because the protectant forms a shell over their hair, and you want it to do that. So you need to make sure it's completely dry before you start gluing tracks. And as you can see, like I said before, I am very generous with this product because I like to make sure my client's hair is protected at all times underneath that glue. That glue will rip your hair out. So make sure you're protecting your client's hair, protecting your hair. Use the protectant, okay? And don't go ripping the quick weave off. So the protectant is actually water reactive. So once you're done with the quick weave, ready to take it off, you literally could just put your head under some water and that whole back piece will come off at once. So, you wet it and it's just going to come off. That's what I like about the protectant. So use protectant, guys, okay? Protect your hair. So as you can see, I am now gluing these tracks in, and I am doing it in a circular motion, kind of curving up the side of her head because you want the hair to fall forward. So as you can see, I've curved it up and I now have a little small circle. And I'm about to go in and close this up, but there is no hair left out. So because I didn't leave any of her hair out, it is important that those tracks curve up so that it layers forward on the client's face, and you won't even be able to tell my girl ain't got no hair left out. You're not even gonna be able to tell because the hair is laying forward. I also don't like to do no leave out anyway because that could be a little difficult for the client to handle sometimes, having that leave out on a half up, half down. The ponytail, majority of the time, is going to cover it. Don't leave no hair out. Just put it all up. As long as you curve the tracks forward, you'll never be able to tell. Now for the ponytail, I do not like to glue on the ponytail. I just don't like putting glue on the hair. I know people do the paper wrap, but I just find it more effective to sew the tracks to the braid ponytail. If the ponytail is not thick enough, I do add braiding hair and then just sew the hair onto the braid instead of gluing it. It gives the same effect. I just feel like it's safer for the hair. Once I finish sewing that up, I am going to take a piece of hair from the end of the track. I do use Got2b glue, especially for a curlier texture, just to stretch that curl out, and I'm going to wrap that baby on there nice and smooth. You want this base of this ponytail to be smooth because it's going to bring the whole entire look together. If that piece is not smooth, go back and smooth it out, okay? Put some gel on it, comb through it, and then wrap it nice and neat around the ponytail. We will be using the Pretty Launcher Edge Control to lay those edges, and as you're about to see, baby, the edge control gets to work, okay? The favorite thing I like about this edge control, about my edge control at the Pretty Lounge, is that there is no buildup. Like, the hair, it literally just, you can use it day after day after day, and it will not build up on your edges, and that's a plus, because, you know, sometimes it gets real gunky, you're trying to comb it out, and you feel like you're pulling your hair out. So that is the number one thing I like about the Pretty Launch Edge Control. It is no build up. It does lay your edges for a full 24 hours. Baby, them edges be laid. And as you can see, Sabrina edges is laid. Okay, I love some healthy edges, and Sabrina got them. Okay, so we're gonna finish this off with some oil sheen. And yeah, my girl is ready to go. Okay, this is around Valentine's Day, and this is the look. She wanted to look cute. This is one of her go-to hairstyles, half up, half down. This is a half up, half down quick weave using store-bought hair. Very cheap hair. And yeah, it's giving luxury install. Okay, like she got some bundles, if you ask me. It's really cute. We got those edges laid. We got everything nice and sleek. And yeah, my girl looks good. I think she's going to a basketball game, or she's going out with her partner somewhere. But yeah, it's giving very cute. Okay, so if you are not already subscribed to this channel, make sure you go ahead and do so. We got more tutorials coming. And yeah, welcome to the Pretty Lounge, where the pretty reside. Peace.